Let's explore the Exam Planner section. The Exam Planner section has tabs at the top. Opening up the Course tab allows you to add courses. This is driven by the privileges given to the administrator. You can make changes to the different courses and control what rights are given to instructors. For example, if you wanted to look at how a course is built, click on a course to see the course construction screen. Different module blocks are used to construct courses. These blocks can be customized to direct what you want your students to do. By rolling over the blocks, you can see all the info that is being stored, such as the study time that is assigned to each lesson and questionnaire. Learning paths are defined and tracked. Students are directed by different paths depending on if they pass or fail an exam. Pauses are built in if a student fails twice, so the instructor may assign additional reading or discussions, for example. You can edit the building blocks by adding more or removing them. You can add training blocks or classroom training manually into the system. The Assignation tab allows you to assign demo classes to different users. Highlight the classes that you wish to assign and then click the Assign button. The class will then appear in the Assignation column. The next tab is Status. Opening this screen shows the user's status for each module that they are assigned to. In this example, none of the modules have been opened. When a course is opened, you can view the status of each building block that is inside the course. Check marks reveal that the training has been released. And it shows that the final exam still needs to be manually assigned. The instructor's stoplight chart shows the status in green, yellow, and red. Green would imply a student is on track and/or complete. Yellow means a module is in progress. Red indicates one or more students have failed. Statistics are available to allow drilling down to discover what area the student needs help on. This is available as Part FCL subject code. This screen is a one-stop shop for the instructor to see where the student is in the training. So, how does this look for the student? First, log out as an administrator and log back in as a student. You can see that the program menu changes for the student. In this case, there are only 3 possible menu buttons available for the student: ExamNet Client, Exam eAcademy Client, and Exam Multi-User. We just assigned a course to our student, so if we go to our eAcademy client, a welcome message will open, which the administrator can edit in Exam Planner. What the student sees now is essentially only the learning module that has been assigned. The learning module that has been assigned is the Air Law block. This learning block shows that the student needs to study for 18 hours. This screen has columns for training modules to take and questionnaire modules to take. To start, select a course from the Learning Modules to Take column, and then click on the Start Selected button in the upper right-hand corner. That will open the material for the reading block. There is an information window in the lower right corner. This window contains the user, the unit or module, the elapsed time, the remaining time, and the time until rest period. The screen contains an index allowing you to move freely through the material. You may play animations and zoom in and out of graphics in order to get a better understanding of the material. Aside from being able to use eAcademy on a PC, there is also an iPad client available. This iPad client would complement Exam 11, which would be the resident exam multi-user component on the iPad. Following installation of the client, the user would need to enter user credentials on the login screen. Screen language can be changed on the upper right-hand corner. The menu bar on the left allows you to switch between different courses a user may be enrolled. It also permits access to examinations that have been assigned to the user. The eAcademy dashboard is separated into 3 tabs: displaying learning modules to take, training modules to take, and questionnaires or progress tests. Duration of the entire module and current status are being displayed. Another eAcademy dashboard for the same user. For assigned examinations, the classic ExamNet client gives an overview about the currently assigned exams. Exams already taken and locked are displayed with a small lock symbol in the front. Once an exam is started, users can tab through the questions on the left, see the questions and available answers on the right, and time remaining is displayed at the bottom. Once ready, the Finish button will conclude the exam. The small speaking bubble on the lower left allows you to leave comments and questions for the examiner. Pressing the comment bubble, a little comment box will open. Use of the app versus a PC is seamless, so candidates can switch from one medium to the other at their own convenience. Being a hosted system, an internet connection will be necessary. This concludes the Planner section.